Students, our next topic is example related to fixed capital method. Y and Z are partner with a capital of rupees 25,000 and rupees 15,000 respectively on 1st April 2016. Each partner is entitled to 9% per annum interest on his capital. Students, your opening capital is 25 and 15,000 of Y and Z because it is given on 1st April and their interest on capital is 9% per annum. Z is entitled to a salary of rupees 6,000 per annum together with a commission of 6% of net profit remaining after deducting interest on capital and salary. Students, Z will get commission here at the rate 6% of net profit, but we will charge it after deducting interest on capital and salary. The profit for the year ended 31st March 2017 before making any of the above mentioned adjustment amount to rupees 30,800. Prepare partners capital account by fixed method. Students, as you know, in our fixed method question, fixed capital or fixed method is always given. If it is not given, then we will assume it fluctuating method. Now profit and loss appropriation account we will make. First we will write P&L, which is our profit 30,800. Then we will write here interest on capital, then salary, then Z's commission. At the last we will find our difference, which is comes in debit side, so it will called profit transfer to current account. Why we written here current account? Because our method is fixed method. So this will we will distribute in Y and Z in their profit sharing ratio. Here profit sharing ratio is not given, so we will distribute equally. Now we will make partners capital account. First of all we will write opening balance by balance BD 25,000 and 15,000. At the last we will find our difference to balance CD. Now we will make partners current account. As you know, first of all we will record here opening balance of current account, but in our question it is not given, so we will write directly interest on capital 250 and 1350, then by salary, by commission, by P&L appropriation, which is given in P&L appropriation debit side also. At the last we will find our balance CD. Calculation of Z's commission. How to calculate Z's commission? First we will take profit. In our question it is given, we will deduct interest on capital and salary, so deducted here 3,600 and 6,000, we will get 21,200. Then we will charge manager commission 6%, 6 upon 106 because this is after charging, so we will get our answer 1200. Thank you students.